side doesn't. Okay. So now I'm going to see if he can pee on a tree.
I'll just square up a little bit.
Sure. So this
Totally locked in there.
just doesn't go at all. For him to use that, he's going to have to go into his back. So that doesn't. And this side's good.
See the difference?
This is normal. Got it. I got 6. There we go. 3,
Yeah.
2, and 1. 18 is fine. 17, 16, 15. So we go to L1, L2, L3. Can you see the difference from there, Amy? Can you see the
That it
change?
doesn't move? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So it's very clear. Of course, it's harder to get at because it's. Just going to check that ventral flare again. Oh, sweetie.
Whoa!
I'm going to exaggerate a bit so we can see.
Yeah. Good.
I know you come around this
And
side.
maybe- Wow, yeah.
Okay.
Good.
And we'll check these 3 in a row here. So 1, 2, and 3 were fixated this way. You can see from there, but that's L1. It's moving. 2 is moving. And 3 is moving.